Hey guys, wanna see your house in Google Maps just using your mobile device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. And now let's begin. First off, obviously open Google Maps on your device and now you will land on the main page of the Google Maps. So from here you can start zooming in to the location where your house is located, or you can use the search field at the top to simply search for your house address. Now, when you have found it, just make sure that the satellite version is selected. So to enable it, just click on the layers icon at the top right, just right here, and again, enable the satellite version. So now you will be able to see the houses as they appear in the real life. And also you can select a street, and if it has an available street view, you can also view it as in 3D. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.